If you're trading on Trading 212, understanding fees is super important because even small costs can eat into your profits. Let's break it down. First, Trading 212 Invest account is commission free for buying and selling stocks and ETFs. That means no trading fees, no account maintenance fees, and no deposit fees. Perfect if you're starting out. Next, Trading 212 CFD accounts work differently. CFD stands for Contract for Difference, which lets you trade on margin. Here, there is spread fees, which is the difference between the buy and sell price. It's usually very low, varies depending on the asset. Also, there are overnight fees if you hold leveraged positions past market close. Then currency conversion fees apply if you're buying stocks in a different currency. Trading 212 automatically converts your funds at a small conversion rate. Important, while Trading 212 advertises no commissions, always check for these hidden fees or CFDs on Forex trades. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.